Hi, my name is Nate Paulsberg. I'm Managing Director of Elevate Safety, and I run our Orlando facility. We're going to take an in-depth look here at our gear shop, which is in front of our store. One of the reasons why we really wanted to have this was we have a lot of students coming through always asking about gear. This gives you the ability to get your hands on the gear and actually go and test it in our training warehouse as well. So that was one of the big things we want to press to people is, I'm a very hands-on individual as well. Before I'm going to purchase a bunch of stuff, I want to be able to test it and use it. And that's what this facility offers you. We have the gear shop here, which we're going to go through, and our training area where you guys can actually take the gear and actually utilize it. All right, so as we take a quick walk through our gear shop here, you can see on the left, we have a lot of our connectors, descenders, pulleys, everything that we do have in stock here at the shop, anchor plates, all that kind of good stuff that we do sell and have in stock at the shop. On the east side wall is our bag wall. We do like bags, who doesn't? So small bags, big bags, medium bags, rope bags, rigging bags. We have all of our favorites down here that you can come and get your hands on and see if they meet your needs. On the north side wall here is one of our rope areas. So some of the ropes that we do offer. Again, this isn't everything we offer through Elevated Safety Gear Shop. This is just a small fraction of what we can offer online. Harnesses, gloves, anchor slings. So some of our most selling harnesses that we do offer and utilize. Winches, of course. Anchor slings that we utilize the most. Mini hauls, wingmans, stretchers, and of course our favorite area is our Tiki Hut swag shop, where we offer Elevated Safety Peak Rescue swag. And then come on over here, we have our Edge Pro edge protection area, little game we have for you, and carabiners, and then our rope nerd rigging wall. So this is just a bunch of different random gear that we have out here so people can see and utilize. And again, this is just a fraction of what we can offer online at our gear shop. But we just have some stuff in here, again, you can get your hands on and touch and feel it. And like we said, the nice thing about the gear shop is it walks right out into our training space. So out here in our training space is where you guys can come out and actually put the gear to use and see if you like it or not.